Now this is a very beautiful question of Venn diagram, and one instruction whenever you come across any such video of LRDI set, what you should do is pause the video when you can see the entire screen like this. Okay, pause it here, read the question very carefully. Whatever is the source, wherever you're watching it, doesn't matter. Read the question very carefully on your own, entire question. Then unpause it and come back to it. Okay. So now it says a survey was conducted by an agency named Manthan Analytics in a city among 735 people to gauge the popularity of 3 electronic gadgets. The first condition, always remember that read entire question without interruption, without using pen paper, without doing anything. So first reading has to be completely. Now when you read second time, you should start solving. Always remember this. Okay, I'll tell you the reason, you will yourself realize why I'm saying that. So second reading you should start solving. Let's see. So by here we are very clear that we are talking about 3 sets: smartphone, laptop, tablet, and the entire set has 735 people. Some people are surveyed. I mean, all these people are surveyed. Some of them might not have been a part of this. Okay. The number of persons who like smartphone and laptop is 20% less than the number of persons who like tablet and laptop. Okay, so that's one condition. The number of persons who like only smartphone is 13 more than 24 times the number of persons who like all the 3 gadgets. Okay, the number of persons who like only tablet is 8 less than 4 times of the number of persons who like only laptop. Okay, the number of persons who like smartphone and tablet is double the number of persons who like smartphone and laptop. Okay, so till now I can say that we only have variable relations. If I assume one of them as x, we can calculate the other one in the form of the other one because of these relations given. Let's read further. The ratio of the number of persons who like only tablet to those who like smartphone and tablet but not laptop is 12:7. Here also only ratio is given. There is no value till now that is given anywhere. The number of persons who like all the 3 gadgets is 1/3 of the number of persons who like smartphone and laptop but not tablet. This is still variable based, right? The last one, the number of persons who like only laptop is 20 more than 1/7 of the total number of people who participated in the survey. So make sure that you understand there are 2 times 1/7. All right. Now total number of people is the only value that is given in this question, 735. Right. So the number of persons who like only laptop is equal to 20 plus 1/7 of 1/7 of 735. This is one number that is given. So 7 cancels 735 105 times. 7 cancels 105 15 times. So at least one variable is gone. 20 plus 15, that is 35. So you already have only laptop. Now why is it important to identify in this manner? Because wherever you see only laptop, that value will be wherever it is, we'll go back again. In the first reading, by the time we reach the end, we have got one value, and wherever we have only laptop mentioned, we'll be able to use it, right? So keep this in mind, only laptop is 35. All right. Let's take a look at the questions. These are the questions, very simple general questions, like specific area based questions. I've taken the entire information here, and let's draw the diagram. The Venn diagram for 3 sets is a standard way of drawing it like this. This is one set, smartphone. This is another set, laptop. Okay. L. I wanted to write LT. Okay. And third set is tablet, TB. Only laptop is 35. And overall total universal set is 735. This is the standard method of writing it. Okay, so we have drawn the diagram. We have put the values that we are already aware of. We also have used this statement completely. So I am marking it on the screen. You will not be able to do that. Okay, so you will have to keep these things in mind only. All right, now is there any other place where I have only laptop? So now when I read the second time, another person like smartphone and so on. So now the second time when you read, you can do that gungun thing and mentally you can just go ahead like only smartphone. I want to find only laptop. This is only tablet, or like only laptop. Okay. Right. So the number of persons who like only tablet is this area, is 8 less than 4 times the number of persons who like only laptop. Okay, so 8 less than 4 times 35. 4 times 35 is 140, minus 8 is 132. So only tablet is 132. So we have used this statement. I am cutting it so that we have a very clear idea that we have used it. Now, is there any place where I have only tablet mentioned? Right? Only tablet, was it anywhere there? No, I don't think so. Double the number of persons who like smartphone and laptop. Okay, the ratio of number of persons, yeah, only tablet is here. So see, you have two values now, only laptop and only tablet. So keep looking for only tablet and only laptop. So only tablet is here. So read this sentence very carefully. It says the number of persons who like smartphone and tablet is double the number of persons who like smartphone and laptop. Okay, this is no use. Ratio of the number of persons who like only tablet, that is 132, is to who like smartphone and tablet but not laptop. Smartphone and tablet but not laptop, that is this portion. This is outside laptop, common to smartphone and tablet. So that portion, if I say this is P, if I say that this value is P, then 132 upon P is 12 by 7. Wow. Now 12 cancels 132 11 times. 11 into 7 is 77. So P is 77. So this value of P is 77. So please make sure that you keep putting the values at the right place. Right? Fantastic. So we have used this information, the ratio of only persons who like only this and 12:7. So we have used this also completely. Right. So we have one more value, that is this one. There was some information about the same portion, which is smartphone and tablet but not laptop. Smartphone and tablet but not laptop. Smartphone and tablet but not laptop. The number of persons who like all the three gadgets is 1/3 of the number of persons. Okay, so let's take up this one now and changing the color just to make sure that you understand that whatever values we could find, we are done with it. Now the variable comes. So make sure that you use the variable carefully. The number of persons who like all the three gadgets is 1/3 of the number of persons who like smartphone and laptop but not tablet. Smartphone and laptop but not tablet, that is this portion. So this portion value is, this is 1/3 of this. So if I take this as x, this is 3x. Now 3x plus x is 4x. Wow, this is such a beautiful situation because this value will be used. So we have used this information also. You see, there is something mentioned about smartphone and laptop, but not tablet in the beginning. It says the number of persons who like smartphone and laptop is 20% less than the number of persons who like tablet and laptop. So this 4x is 20% less than this entire area. Okay? Listen carefully or read carefully again. So number of people who like smartphone and laptop is this entire area. This is 20% less than this entire area. Okay, so if I say, just for example, if I say this portion is 100K, this has to be 80K. 80K is 4x, right? 80K is 4x. So 20K will be x, 100K will be 5x. So we get this entire area as 5x. Or you could also use simply the ratio. Okay, ratio of this portion and this portion has to be 5:4. If this is 4x, this will be 5x. Now if this is 5x, then this portion will be 4x. Nice. Okay, so we have used the first information from here to here. Now whatever else is left, use it. I think there are only two parts that are left. This says the number of persons who like only smartphone is this portion, is 13 more than 24 times the number of persons who like all three gadgets. So this is x. So this will be 13 plus 24x, right? And the second thing is here, the number of persons who like smartphone and tablet, that is this entire portion. That is 77 plus x is double the number of persons who like smartphone and laptop. Wow. Smartphone and laptop is 4x. So this portion has to be 8x. Now 8x is equal to 77 plus x. That means 77 will be 7x. So we have the value of x as 11. Right? 8x is 77 plus x. So 7x equal to 77. So x is equal to 11. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove x and I'm going to put 11 wherever it is. Okay. So this is 33, 44. 11, 33, 44. Okay. The other values as well. 4x, 5x. So we have 44, 55, right? And this 24 into 11 is 264 plus 13, 277. So we have got all the values. You see, we have got all the values now. You can also find the total value of each of these sets. So the smartphone set is this much. Add all the values carefully. 277 plus 77 is 354. 365 and 38. 398. Total of tablet will be 77 plus 11 plus 44 plus 132. That is 7, 8, 12 and 12. 24. 264. Right. Total of laptop will be sum of all these. 88 and 35. 123. If you want to find the none area, you will have to add all of these values, subtract from 735. So this total is 398 plus 35 plus 44 plus 132. So 398, 400, 530, 565 and 44. 609. 609 is the number of at least one. Okay. So the none area will be 735 minus 609. 735 minus 609, and that will be 126. That is outside portion. These 126 people did not take part in any one of them or like any one of these, right? So basically, this was just an external work that we did. What? This 398, 123, and the calculation of 126 and so on. Let's look at the questions. Okay. First one, what is the number of persons who do not like any of the three gadgets? Oh, this is the first question. Okay. But this is also the advantage of taking a look at the question so that you know what all things are supposed to be done overall. So this is three gadgets. None of the three gadgets. None of the three gadgets. 126. Do we have 126? Option D is the correct answer. What is the number of people who like laptop? Oh, that is also a question. So basically, sometimes the calculation that we done will be used. Sometimes it is not. So it is always better to take a look so that you don't waste time. So laptop total is 123. 123, option B is the correct answer. Okay. What is the number of people who like smartphone and tablet? Smartphone and tablet. So smartphone and tablet. Be careful. 8x. That is 77 plus 11. Oh, that is 88. 88. Do we have that option? First option, 88 is the correct answer. How many people like either smartphone or laptop, but not both? Either smartphone or laptop, but not both. Either smartphone or laptop. Either smartphone or laptop, but not both. Okay, so that 277, 77, 35, 44. Add carefully. So it should be a part of smartphone, but not of laptop. Similarly, should be part of laptop, but not of smartphone. So basically, except these, add these four values. So 277 plus 77 is 354 and 44 is 398. 398 plus 35 is 433. 433 is the required value. Do we have that option? Yes. Option D is the correct answer. So if there is any problem, you can always repeat the video, and you still have any doubt, you can get back to me. One of the very important aspect of CAT coaching at iQuanta is application classes, live conceptual classes. These are always there, definitely. And this is the general structure of the program that we do. Just take a look at it, take benefit of it. If you want to know more about all these things, all these courses, visit iQuanta website, call on the number, get in touch with us. We'll try to help you. Thank you.